loosen it up a little first. Doing a pasture with that, and then the other spots we did Kentucky 31. Alright, here we are. We're in May now. It's been a couple weeks since we planted all the horse pasture. I'll get us a follow-up. Boy, I see a lot of green, a lot of bright green. See if I can get us a better window here. Them Illinois bugs, man, they're hard to get off. So the first follow-up section is going to be on our right here on the tractor. So the videos I'm posting on the right are from like two and a half weeks ago when we worked all this up and we planted it. So today we're going to see what it looks like currently for the follow-up. Oh yeah, the horses still come in this pasture, but man, I could see all kinds of new green in there. See that? Oh yeah, all new green in there. That manure is awesome. Alright, let's go check these two down here. There's different ones that we planted. Oh, it looks good. Oh wow, that lower one you can't even tell we scraped the top. Eliminating a Y in his driveway.
That was a chore.
So our first mission with the excavator is we need dirt, and we need a lot of dirt. And then when I get the humps all skimmed down, then I'll rough grade them and that. And run up that hill, baby. All right, it's Saturday morning. Oh, it's finally going to get up to 60 today. We just finished up the very front grass. He's going to be planting that. He brought a little more dirt down, but right here, this is all what we planted. And then down by that next pile, let's go down there. Mother Nature grew stuff on crummy dirt also. Yeah, you ain't gonna like maybe cash crop, but to grow some food plots, I should be able to get something to grow. Guess he's going. See how she goes. Let's get a little video out here. Doves in there, they're eating it. So this flat spot, I'll get a clean view here. Oh, this turned out really nice. Look at all the birds. This is all what we planted right here with what dirt we had, and I'll put that on top of the pipe next, and we'll go for the next load. There we go. Now we're real on the uphill. I'm just going to skim just a little more of this first spot. I don't want to get my tracks in the fresh stuff there if I don't have to. loosen it up a little first. Doing a pasture with that, and then the other spots we did Kentucky 31, rye, and oats, clean oats. Okay, so real quick for today's update, this is the front of the farm here. I'm going to give you the final grade on this section right here that used to be this rock garden, and I'm going to show it to you planted, and we're going to continue. Now keep in mind this is a 3-week period here, so I'll show you this on the way out, but let's go back to them 2 horse pastures and I'll show you what we did, and we'll get the final follow-up on that bottom one, which looks really, really nice. So on this lower pasture, I took 2 humps off and we moved all this dirt, and there was a swale in the middle that was getting runoff, and we regraded the whole thing. We'll take a real quick look at how this went, and then we're going to look at the follow-up. I think he's trying to keep the horses from eating it. That's my guess with the hay, but either that or the straw that didn't get spread. But either way, it looks nice. It's a horse pasture. All right, good deal. All right, here's a follow-up on that front section that we're converting to lawn. I ran a TR3 for a while on this. The dirt on the left is a little bit wet yet, and because of that rock garden up there on the right, I can't like sweep all the way through it. So he's going to hop on, he's going to run the drag and get this planted, and I'll show you that real quick, and then stay tuned for the next update coming a few weeks down the road, because we did get rain on it. So let's see it here and have a wonderful weekend. All right, there's the new lawn section. Got rain on it, drizzled all day and last night, so the timing was perfect. Should look really nice. Be a lot easier to maintain, that's why they're getting rid of it.